In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create views in Coda tables. Views let you look at the same data in different ways without changing the underlying information. So you can switch from a simple grid to a card wall, a calendar, or even a chart with just a few clicks. This is perfect when you want a clean input form, a high-level dashboard, or a timeline for planning. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Coda. Any modern browser works well. Sign in to your account so you can access your docs and workspaces. Once you're in, open the Coda doc that already contains the table you want to adjust. If you have a lot of docs, use the search bar to find it quickly. With the doc open, click anywhere inside the table you want to change. This makes sure Coda knows which table you're working with. In the top right corner of that table, look for the Options button and click it. This is where you control how your table looks and behaves. Next, click See all options to open the full settings panel. Don't worry, you're not changing your data here, just how it's displayed. In the panel, find the Layout section. This is where the magic happens. Choose the view type that best matches how you want to see your information. Table is the classic spreadsheet-style grid. Card is great for a visual, Kanban-style layout. Detail focuses on one row at a time, perfect for reviewing records. Calendar lays out rows by a date column, which is ideal for scheduling. Form gives you a clean way to collect new entries. Timeline shows items across a span of dates, helpful for projects. Chart visualizes your numbers, making trends easy to spot. Word cloud highlights the most frequent text values and board groups items into columns you can drag between. As you select a layout, Coda updates the display immediately so you can see the effect right away. Some layouts work best when you have the right column types. For example, calendar and timeline need a date, and chart benefits from numeric columns, but you don't have to leave this panel to try different options. If you change your mind, just pick another layout. You can switch at any time. The key point is that you're not duplicating or altering your data, you're simply changing how it appears. That's it. Your table will now display using the selected view layout. Explore a few layouts to see which ones support your workflow best. And remember, you can always return to options to make adjustments later. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for